Hello, everyone. This is how we begin our peer deck activity. First, I want to put today, how am I feeling? Happy. So I'll put this in and now it will load. This page is about what you will do today. These are the objectives. Language objective. I will be able to use the frame. Natural selection is when blank. Content objective. I will be able to define natural selection based on a video and the provided definition. But listen, if you do not understand what's happening, you can click this button right here and look what it does. It's called Immersive Reader. And now, if you need somebody to read it for you, it'll read it for you.
The objectives for today are language objective. I will be able to use the frame.
So that's one example. And also, I'll show you guys this. If you don't understand the word, you can go to it. I think you can click on it and then it has the word and the definition. But I want to show you this too. Now, let's say you want to have it in another maybe color or another style. You can change it here. And the next thing that I want to show you is you can also make the size bigger or smaller. And you can go here and let's see what it does. Now you can translate everything. Look, I'm going to show you. So right here, I'm going to select Spanish. And now when I get out of here, look at this. If I go to a word and I click on it, it's going to have it right there in Spanish. Okay, so these are the ways that this program will help you read things. Okay, and once you're done with this part, all you have to do is get out of it and then you come back here. Okay, so let's keep on going. Now look at this page. It's asking you, after watching the videos, how will you explain natural selection? So first I need you to watch this video, which you're gonna click and it'll take you to YouTube. Now, the video will play, okay, it's about 2 minutes long. You can watch it. Once you're finished, you have to go back. And in here, you're going to begin with the frame again. Natural selection is when, and then you will complete that. Remember, using this right here. After watching the videos, how will you explain? So you're going to explain it based on that. Okay, and then you explain it based on this video after what you watched. And you have to add. So I'll say something, natural selection is when one animal is eaten by a predator and a certain characteristic that let the animal survive becomes more profound over time. Okay, and once I do that, hey, I can just say, okay, no problem, next. Okay, and now look, you're gonna read the definition and then you're going to add another, you're gonna answer this question right here. So again, if you don't understand this, you can go right here and look what happens. It will read all the words for you. Oh, you know what? I don't understand. So I want somebody to read it for me.
Read the definition for natural selection. The most favorable.
Okay, you know what? I wanted it in my language. So I will go here and okay, oh, it's already there, Spanish. So I will select it again. Right here, and I'll put okay, Spanish. And then you can put here by document. and it'll translate everything for you. And you can go to original in English or Spanish. It's all up to you what you want to do. Then when I'm done, I will go back and I will put my answer right here. Natural selection is when, okay, but now I'm using this definition and this picture, not the video, okay? No el video, not the video. This definition and this picture. And then once you go there, then you're going to go to the final part. You would draw an example of natural selection. Right here, you're going to draw something, okay? So I can draw anything. I can draw a big giraffe. Okay. Or whatever. And then I can draw a tree. And then I will go to the next page. Okay, then I'm finished. And I go here. And right here, then write about it using the frame natural selection is when. So then, right now, I explain what I drew. Is when a giraffe has a longer neck because the giraffes with short necks did not survive. And that's it. And that's all you have to do. Okay, this is, but please do not use my example, use another example. And look, once you're done, you go, okay, no problem. And then you can go like this. I think you can go right here. You hit this one. You hit this one and there's a check right there. Oh, sorry. If there's a check, then you're all finished. Okay, then bye-bye. And you all finished, okay? Thank you.